That's exactly what you want to hear out of your most reliable daily. Alright, got the handy dandy jump box hooked up. Let's see if it'll start now. Well, that probably explains it. Batteries from 2021 is currently 2025, which it shouldn't be that bad. It's not even at the 4-year mark yet, but I don't know. I'm not really sure where this battery came from, to be quite honest with you. So until I'm able to go get another battery, I am going to put this one on a slow charge. I got it charging right now on 2 amps. I'm just going to leave it on here for pretty much the rest of the day. Just want to kind of make this quick little video. I know this is kind of boring, but I wanted to make this quick little video just to kind of update y'all on everything going on. So the reason why I haven't been uploading as much is I've been working freaking crazy hours at work, unfortunately. Can't be helped. And this past week I was gonna try to upload as much as I can this week, and then I literally got hit with COVID and flu. And yeah, you heard that right, I got both. And the doctor even told me they had to do a double take on those results because they don't happen very often. But so needless to say, this has probably been the worst week of my life. I actually do have some energy today. That's why I kind of wanted to come out here and figure out my truck, because literally before I got sick, the truck got to where it didn't even want to start. Like, it was kind of getting weaker and weaker as the day would go by. And then the other day I went to go somewhere and it literally just did not start. It did what y'all just saw in there. It just kind of kept clicking. So I figured it was the battery, but I also didn't know the battery was that old. So I was kind of hoping it wasn't going to be the starter. So I'm really happy that it's just the battery. So again, sorry for lack of uploads. I've just been busy at work, and I've also been sick this week. I haven't had much of energy. Honestly, just doing this kind of wore me out, not gonna lie. The Dakota update. A lot of y'all been asking me if the Dakota's fixed. Is it drivable now? And the answer is yes. So I do have another video coming out hopefully soon. I'm kind of adding some more stuff to that video, so that's why it's kind of taking so long to upload it. But just to kind of give you a clarification, the Dakota is fixed. I did figure out what was wrong with it. And when that video uploads, y'all are probably going to say I'm the biggest idiot in the whole world. But the Dakota is fixed. It's not overheating anymore. So the only problem with the Dakota I'm having right now is that every time I drive it, it seems like I blow an injector. So this is all in that other video that I'm making too, but I blew one injector, replaced it, blew another injector, and then I recently replaced it, and then I did some other stuff to it to figure out the overheating issues. And I've been driving it. I've been kind of driving it around just to make sure everything's good on it. And then literally the other day I drove it and it blew an injector. Like, everything was going great, and then it popped up another injector code and started running rough again. So I think I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and put a whole set of injectors in it, which is not a bad thing. It probably could use them, because those injectors, they were not the prettiest when I put them back in there. I do just need to figure out which ones I want to get. A part of me kind of wants to go to Amazon, but then another part of me just really wants to go to the Dodge store and just get Mopar ones, because I know they'll work. But yeah, so there's the update on the Dakota. It is drivable now. It is mostly fixed, other than the injectors giving me problems. And I'll make a video about that, me changing the injectors. It's actually not hard at all to change injectors on these trucks. Really, these 4.7s get a bad rep for being the hardest motor to work on. They're really not that hard to work on, and really they're not. Like, I swear I've taken this thing apart 1,000 times. I'm getting quite good at it, honestly. But yeah, there's the update on the Dakota. Silverado is filthy as all get out right now. it's recently snowed again, and I haven't had a chance to wash it. Yeah, so more stuff's coming from the Silverado. I got a bunch of new parts for it that I cannot wait to put on. I'm really excited to put on. And like I said, I was going to do all this stuff this week, but I got hit with COVID and flu. So again, sorry about that. And now, believe it or not, the most reliable vehicle right now is the Jeep, believe it or not, because so far that thing has not left me stranded yet. Yeah, just want to make this quick little video for you guys. Sorry for the lack of uploads. Hopefully we'll pick it back up real soon. If y'all want to see more, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, y'all have a good day.